After 4 days of deliberating, totaling over 34 hours,
we, the jury, have re-examined all evidence. The deliberation has stopped.
The jury failed to come to a unanimous verdict in the Austin police officer Christopher Taylor murder trial.
Court finds that there is a manifest necessity that requires me to declare this case as a mistrial, and I so declare.
Judge Dana Blasey ruled this trial a mistrial. It's the second mistrial she's called for this case. She revealed the jury sent the court 3 notes over the 4 deliberation days, revealing their standstill had been an issue from the beginning. The first note from the jury came on the first day. The judge instructed them to continue deliberating. The second came on the 3rd day, and an Allen charge was implemented, urging the jury to make a decision. The 3rd time, the mistrial was called. Officer Taylor left the courtroom shortly after the ruling. His murder charge for killing Michael Ramos during a police encounter in 2020 remains pending.
Chris asked us to convey the fact that he's very, very sorry and traumatized at this event. He understands that the Ramos family is grieving, and he recognizes that. And he recognizes this was a tragedy. But as we said during the course of this trial, while this may have been a tragedy, it's absolutely not murder.
Taylor's defense attorneys Doug O'Connell and Ken Irvin revealed the hung jury was deadlocked on a vote of 8-4 not guilty. They say it will be up to the state to determine whether or not to retry him with a whole new jury of 12.
In the event that they intend to do that, obviously we will be ready. And we will try this case as many times as it takes to get a not guilty.
Michael Ramos' mother, Brenda, was not in the courtroom Wednesday for the ruling, but close friend and activist Chris Harris says this is a major blow to her and the community.
Again, I think it's a miscarriage of justice, and we're all pretty upset.
He hopes the state does decide to take Officer Taylor back to court.
The video is clear that Mike was not a threat. He was slowly turning away. The people that were there on the scene that day that saw it live and in person knew that it was unjust. And the people that marched in the streets over the next few months knew that it was unjust.
The state did not provide any media interviews. However, we did receive this statement from Jose Garza, the district attorney of Travis County. It says in part, quote, "We are grateful for the jury. We respect the juror's decision and then thank them for their service."